So let's go back to the top and adjust our settings. First, I'm going to change my checkpoint from architectural to realistic vision. They're like templates. For example, a checkpoint model won't be able to generate a dinosaur image if there's never a dinosaur in the training data. Okay, let's begin changing faces. I'm going to select the Image to Image tab. In the placeholder, I'm going to drag and drop a target image. For the sampling method, I'm going to select Euler A. It seems to work well with changing faces. I'm going to leave the type to automatic. In the Resize to option, I'm going to click the small right triangle. This synchronizes the size of both the source and target images. I'm going to slide the denoising strength slider all the way down. Since I'm not using text to image, I'm going to leave everything else as is, then go to the ReActor extension. I'm going to click the small triangle to reveal the rollout. This automatically activates the extension. In the single source image, I'm going to drag and drop my face image. There are two processing types to choose from. For my first example, I'm going to choose Save Original. I'm going to leave everything else as is, then I'm going to click Generate. So what's it done is make a copy of the original, which is the target image. Then right next to it is the processed image. Now let's use the other one. I'm going to select the face mask correction. I'm going to click Generate again. Same result, but without the original image. I'm going to use another target image, just drag and drop it. It's important to click the small triangle to synchronize the size of the source and the target. Then I'm going to click Generate. I'm going to drag and drop a new image, and just to show you what happens, I'm not going to click the small triangle. The width is out of proportion. Now I'm going to click the little triangle. And the result shows the aspect ratio is synchronized. I'm going to change my target image. This image has two faces. I'm going to click the small triangle. I'm going to use the same image as before as my face source. Just below the source image, I'm going to use the target image control so I can choose the face in the target image. The arrangement of the faces are from left to right. The first face in the target is 0, the second is 1, and if there's a third face, it would be 2, and so on. I can also detect the gender of the target faces if necessary. This is a simple exercise, so I don't need that for now. I'm going to go ahead and click Generate. Before I wrap this video up, if at the end of your session you want to view all the images you've generated, just go to Settings, where you can find the output directory. You can also change your destination folders if you like. By default, the images are saved in the Stable Diffusion folder.
You have boyfriend? No, I don't have a boyfriend. Honey, why you don't have? You look so pretty, like model, cheerleader, something pretty. You like long or short nail? Short nails, please, thanks. Oh, honey, that's why you don't have a boyfriend. I do for you, long better. All right, fine, I'll have long nails, thanks. It's okay, honey, only $4 more, that's okay. Do you like crystal gel?